The BlackVue Ultra Battery allows you to use parking mode for extended periods of time without draining your vehicle's battery. In this video, we'll show you how to install and set up the B-130A or B-130X. First, let's see what's in the box. The Ultra Battery comes with the cables and accessories required for its installation.
Installation.
First, turn the power switch to the off position. Next, you'll want to find a location to mount the battery. For example, it could be under a seat or in the glove box. We'll start by showing you how to do a simple installation with the cigarette lighter power cable. The Ultra Battery is compatible with both 12-volt and 24-volt systems. Insert the cigarette lighter power cable into the Ultra Battery's DC in port. Plug the other end of the power cable into the vehicle's cigarette lighter socket. Set the power switch to the on position. For even faster charging time, we'll now demonstrate a hardwire installation. Start by plugging the hardwiring power cable into the Ultra Battery's DC in port. Referring to your vehicle owner's manual, identify a switched fuse in your interior fuse panel. Typical examples are the cigarette lighter and car stereo fuse slots. Be sure to avoid connecting to a constant power fuse, which may result in depletion of your vehicle's battery. Remove the switched fuse and match it with one of the 3 fuse taps. Included in the box are 3 of the most common fuse tap types. If your vehicle uses a different type of fuse taps, you may have to purchase it separately. Using a crimping tool, connect the wire labeled ACC to the fuse tap. Insert the fuse you removed from the fuse panel into the slot closest to the blades on the fuse tap. Insert a new fuse into the slot furthest away from the fuse tap blades. Insert the fuse tap into the empty switched fuse slot in the fuse panel. Connect the ground wire to a ground point, such as a bolt, that is directly on a bare metal part of the vehicle's frame. Set the power switch to the on position. Now let's connect your dash cam to the Ultra Battery. The setup varies depending on whether you're using the B-130A or the older B-130X. Let's start with the B-130A. First, take the dash cam power cable included with the B-130A and plug it into the output port on the Ultra Battery. Next, connect the other end to the DC in port on your dash cam. Now, your BlackVue Dash Cam is powered by the Ultra Battery. It will automatically switch to parking mode when you turn off the ignition, and the Ultra Battery will recharge itself while the ignition is on. For the B-130X, the process is slightly different. Plug the output cable into the port labeled Dash Cam on the Ultra Battery. Then, connect your dash cam's power plug to the cigarette lighter socket on the output cable. For a secure connection, use electrical tape to hold the plug and socket together. If your dash cam includes a hardwiring power cable, we recommend connecting it to the battery using the included 3-wire output cable. This way, parking mode will activate as soon as the ignition is switched off. Now your Ultra Battery will power your BlackVue and charge itself when the ignition is on and power your BlackVue when the ignition is off. Finally, let's get you set up to get the most out of your Ultra Battery with the BlackVue App. To connect your Ultra Battery with the app, activate Bluetooth on your phone and make sure your Ultra Battery is powered on. The BlackVue app will scan the area to find your Ultra Battery and establish a connection. While charging, the app will display the expected time to full charge. When the ignition is off, the app will display the expected remaining usage time based on the current power draw of your dash cam. Now, you're all set up with your new Ultra Battery. To learn more, go to www.blackvue.com.